Welcome back. In today's video, we're breaking down sproutgigs, a micro job and freelance platform that claims you can earn money by completing online tasks. We'll explore how the platform works, what kinds of jobs you can do, and the real experiences users are reporting, both good and bad. Sprout Gigs is an online marketplace where people can complete small online jobs, also called micro tasks, in exchange for money. It was previously known as Pico Workers before rebranding to Sprout Gigs. The idea is simple. Businesses post tasks and users complete them to earn cash. KingNewsWire.com. Tasks can vary widely. They include things like following social media accounts, watching videos, signing up or trying apps, writing basic comments or reviews, taking short surveys. Some advanced tasks may involve simple testing or writing work. Most of these take only a few minutes to complete, and the pay can range from a few cents to a couple of dollars per task. nextmindlevel.blogspot.com. To start, you create a free account and browse available tasks. When you find a task you're interested in, you follow the instructions, complete the work, and submit proof. If the employer approves it, you receive payment into your Sprout Gigs account. Sproutgigs.com. Some users have reported earning modest amounts by being consistent. For example, dedicated workers who spend a few hours each day might earn between modest monthly amounts, though this varies widely by region, task availability, and personal effort. Next Mind Level, blogspot.com. Sprout Gigs also offers a referral system. If someone signs up through your link and completes tasks, you can earn a commission on their earnings, giving you a chance to boost your income passively. Sproutgigs.com. Now let's get real. Online reviews for Sprout Gigs are mixed. Some people report successful work and steady earnings, praising the simplicity and variety of tasks. Others warn that accounts can be suspended or banned suddenly, sometimes with funds locked, and that customer support may be slow or unhelpful. Trustpilot. Before you start, keep these tips in mind. Always read task instructions carefully to avoid rejections. Maintain a good success rate by submitting accurate proof. Be cautious with tasks that feel shady or overly repetitive. Don't rely on this as a full-time income. It's better for extra small earnings. Sproutgigs.com. So overall, Sprout Gigs can be a tool for earning a bit of extra money online, but it's not perfect, and user experiences differ widely. If you decide to try it, approach it with realistic expectations and stay cautious. If you want more honest reviews of earning platforms like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.